stop. Alright, okay, you're gonna get the camera wet. You're gonna get the camera wet. Oh, if I drop this camera, you see. Oh my days. You stop.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
That's the girl that coming, baby. And I walk with them cows.
Ooh, mind the cows.
Yeah, my people at Jackson, we say, straight coconut trees. All them coconut we get on the street side. Up after them come by them coconut there. All them jelly, yeah? Cool. Jacks River. Yeah, brother.
Coconut.
Yeah. Road no normal still in, but you know the thing, bro. So we look for Mad River, you know?
Mad River is where we're going today.
Mad River, I look for Mad River.
I'm not sure what's mad about it, but we'll soon find out.
So we'll find out what I go on the side there. This is what me not mad when I come back, or when I come back. We get mad around them, I don't need that. So we'll find out what is mad.
Look at this, guys, we have to cross the river literally.
To get to where
we're going. Look, you see water there on the floor. Cross the river to get to the river.
I guess this is the mad part of it.
Right? Wasn't expecting this. But it's all part of it, right? It's all part of
mad
it.
part of this, man.
It's all part of it.
Yeah. You know, Mad River, you know the road I'm bad for too.
But the road, yeah, the road is definitely bad and outlaw because the roads are bad.
Jeez. But after that's something they go.
Yeah.
Long time I see them type of road and I look up it, you know. Yeah man, we walk the streets, man, I look at you to see the road, they would leave them in the street and all them something there. And the bad road like this in the community up right there and there. And them places about see that? You know new to it.
Yeah. See, I see a sign. Yeah. So we reach.
We're reaching somewhere.
Yes.
Bar and restaurant, pool and all these
Mad
things.
River. Complex.
Yeah, the whole works.
Yeah.
Around a bush mouth.
There we are. Mad River.
So we're going with it now.
Okay, so we're here. So it's like bar area and stuff over there, and restaurant. Yeah. Bridge. So we're gonna have a walk around and explore. But you're right in the forest. Right in the forest. You can hear the water.
The forest.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, is that him up there? Whew. So let's have a look. Some jerk pan over there. I think they have events here as well. Yeah. There's just a little stream running there. We're the only ones here. Good to see the water. Yeah. Right in the middle of the forest. Which is nice. Yeah, look at this. Oh. They have a bit up there. Looks like they play music up there sometime. The sound system come set up. Yeah. 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 This is where it's at. He's just cleaning out the river. Yeah. Right there. See, it says there's mad river up there. So it's just running right in. Yeah, so like I said. Okay. You paying? No, he's collecting leaves. He's collecting leaves. Yeah, so yeah, once it's cleaned out, I'm gonna go inside, people.
Look at it.
This one's ready. Watch him. He's ready.
You know what thing? Water, we have to.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Welcome back to another video, another vlog. Guys, you see where we are today. We are in Mad River in St Mary. Yes, we drove up. You would have seen the drive, and yeah, we're here in Mad River in St Mary. So we got Mad River.
Yeah, me think we're mad about it.
Yeah,
the road.
The road.
Yeah, we're not wrong with the water.
Yeah.
The road.
Yeah.
Mad.
So hair's tied back. I'm gonna take a. Oh gosh, I'm gonna take a little step in the water, guys. If you know me, right, I'm not a water.
Nice.
It doesn't. That's. But I'm not a water person. When we go to the beach,
Water
I don't go
enticing.
in the water. When we go river, but I'm stepping out of my comfort zone today, and I'm gonna go in. So wish me luck.
Water good.
Yeah.
Look good. I'll test after it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch him. Straight in. Is it cold? That don't sound convincing.
You know, something they don't like. You know water, you think in the water. You feel like a tingle in there and then you get used to it.
Yeah.
I'll something.
Oh Jesus! Nah, flip this.
Ready?
People.
What's wrong with it?
The water's cold. Oh Lord have mercy. You lie. You said guys. Boy.
What's wrong with you?
It's cold.
You're going to feel that little one when you
No,
just come in. That's what I'm saying about. Yes, it's a feel. See it? See, just you take the time where we're supposed to reach.
This is like, I'm gonna catch pneumonia for
Hello.
this, or
Step in
hypothermia
there, my
because
love.
this is so cold.
Step in the name of love.
Step in the name of love. It's freezing.
Step.
This is freezing. I can't.
Step,
This is freezing.
Right?
Mm-mm.
Step.
This is freezing. This is
Step.
freezing.
Step in the name of love.
Freezing.
Step. Side by
All right,
side.
you do your thing. Let me do my thing by myself,
Okay.
please.
Full joy yourself.
Yeah, you full enjoy yourself too.
Yeah.
Because this is cold.
Yeah. Pardon? Is this about cold?
Do your thing. Just do your thing. What did I sign up for? And I said I don't usually go in the water. If I go to the beach, I just sit down on the side, let everybody else enjoy themselves and all of that. Or even by the pool, but trying to be brave and trying to, you know, yeah, step out a little bit more and do things I don't usually do. And yeah, but this is cold. It's cold.
It's good, man.
It's cold. Don't even bother. He's trying to throw water on me. Stop it. Stop. Alright, okay, you're gonna get the camera wet. You're gonna get the camera wet. Oh, if I drop this camera, you see. Oh my days. You stop. You are something else. Can you pass me my top, please?
Right.
I'm asking him to give me my top, right? To have my cover up.
You don't have to cover up.
Yep. Can I just get it, please?
You don't cover up at the river.
Yeah, but I'm out of the river now.
You're at the river side. You're at the river on the bank. You're right now, he's on the bank. On the river, on the bank.
I don't like you right now. I don't like you right now.
You don't know how to go to creep. You don't know how to go to creep. You come at the river, you have to know.
Can you pass my top, please?
You're at the river. On the
Pass
bank.
my top, please.
The top is good. It's all good right here. Far away from water.
Guys, you see what I have to go through. You see what I have to go through. You see what I have to go through.
Don't
Watch
believe
him.
everything she
Watch
said.
him. Watch him. You see what I have to go through. Watch him. Throwing the water on me. Stop. All right, okay. Stop. Oh, I cannot, people. I cannot. Out of the river. Yeah, I was coward at first, I'm not gonna lie. But it took me a while, but I did go in. I went in deeper than needed.
No.
Well, soon I went in before you.
Yeah.
I went in deeper before you.
You cannot.
Ah, here we go. Here we go. Blah, blah, blah.
That is shorty talking, people. Shorty.
So,
Go deeper than me. You want
No.
to touch her neck. You want to touch me.
but it was nice. It was good. It was good. I didn't think I was gonna go in like up to my neck, but it was good. Yeah, I enjoyed it. And
what about
it's like I said, the road to come here is not great. It's a bad road, but once you're here, it's a good experience. And
Yeah,
it's
you
only
will
$500. Entrance is $500 for adults and $300 for children. If you bring your own food and drinks, you have to pay more. But they do, have bars and they have a restaurant, so you can buy stuff here. But entrance fee, admission only $500. Yeah. So I'm glad we took a chance and came today.
Yeah.
And like we're the only ones here.
Yeah, so the full journey.
Yeah, we got here about 11 o'clock. They open at 10. We got about 11, so we're the only ones here, which is nice. Just us. Yeah.
So we have the whole place to ourselves.
Yeah. So it's all good.
The street.
All good.
Right over there, river. We're up on the bank. Same thing elephant man talk about.
On the river, on the bank.
Yeah. So we're full job ourselves right now.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, for real. We ain't done something like this for a very long time. Yeah, just.
Like we wanted this place for ourselves.
Yeah. That was a bonus. Definitely a bonus.
Place nice, me like it.
Yeah, and the thing is, like I showed you earlier, it's just you're just in the middle. You're just in the forest. You're just in the forest.
In the middle of the forest.
In the middle of the forest.
Forest right around.
Yeah.
Good man. Good.
Just in the middle of the forest.
Good.
Yeah.
Nice bamboo tree them hanging over and some green trees.
Yeah.
All over the thing there. And them maintain the place,
Yes.
And see if regular, clean the water regular.
Clean, yeah.
And all these things. Yeah, it's a bad thing about it, Yeah, as I was saying, the mad part of it is coming up.
The road. Yeah.
That's the mad part of the river.
Alright guys, I think we're going to end out the vlog here.
Because my people that feel like they want to come to the place, no problem,
Yeah, we'll bring you. That Mr. Island Tours Jamaica will bring you. Yep. To Mad River.
Yeah, nice river still.
Yeah.
Road no normal, but you can come up.
Yeah.
Yeah, feel like you want to come on the river.
Yeah.
But me know, man. You go to Mad River.
We've had a good day. Guys, we hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Please press the like button. Of course, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Watch, 30 seconds of the ads and all of that good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, and until next time, that we say.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz.
If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.